Hey guys, welcome back to another Merly on Time. I have got an exciting video for you today. I'm going to go to my local coffee shop to meet up with my pal Timmy the Carpenter. He is giving me an amazing board that I can use. I showed this picture on Instagram, so if you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen it. But today we're going to actually get it. We're going to do a special unboxing video as well with the new board. And so it's just basically like a big cutting board he made out of walnut wood and epoxy. It's absolutely gorgeous. And so we're heading over to the local coffee shop to meet up with my pal Timmy to get this board. And I'm going to surprise him with a new watch, a watch that I bought almost a year ago. And it is a watch that I reviewed on the channel. It is the Acrobos 24 chronograph watch. You can check that video out right here. It's actually one of my most popular review videos. And so I'm going to be giving him that watch as well. And we're going to be unboxing my first Lorus. So let's go. All right, everybody, I am with my pal Timmy the Carpenter, and I've got the board now. We're at the coffee shop. There's going to be some background noise probably, and I hope I don't knock my camera off. The table's a little bit wobbly, but check this out. Oh my gosh. I'll cover your face up for a second, Tim. This is the board, so we're going to do an unboxing, but tell everybody, Timmy, this is Timmy the Carpenter. His name is Tim, but we'll call him Timmy. And just tell everyone, like, how you did this, how you made this. Awesome, look at this. Look at this. Fantastic. So, yeah, let everyone know how it's made.
So basically, I have a pre-built form at home that's 24 by 12. And the wood is black walnut, which is always beautiful to wood to work with. The epoxy is from iced epoxy. I get it out of London. Great product. You can pour up to about 3 inches thick with the product that I was using. I used black and white, so the outside is black.
And you say London, you mean like London, Ontario.
London, Ontario.
Not London, England.
Sorry,
got some friends from London, England.
London, Ontario. So anyways, you decide how you want to put your wood in the form. You hold it down with some clamps, and then you mix the epoxy. The epoxy I use is easy.
This again as you're describing.
It's easy to use because it's 2 to 1, so it makes for easy measuring.
Gorgeous.
And then I used like a dye pigment for the black, so that kind of gave it a little bit of a translucent.
Show that.
With a little bit of,
so cool.
I think it was charcoal as well that I put in there from Baltic epoxy. The other stuff was from Amazon, but the middle was white and black and turned out to be gray, which really turned out to be a cool thing. And
because as you know, white plus black equals gray.
Equals gray.
Yeah.
But
oh man, and just look at it, and we'll get a little bit closer up in a minute because I got a couple of watches to do. But yeah, man, it's just so cool.
The cool thing with epoxy is not one pour is the same. It doesn't matter if you try to pour multiple pours that are the same color, everyone will turn out differently. I've been blessed to be able to build a few of these, and this one's for my good buddy Chris Merly's. Merly on Time.
Yeah, so what we're gonna do, I've got my very first, I thought while I'm getting the board today, I got my very first Lorus watch. So I'm sticking with the budget watch motif. This one cost me 80 bucks, Timmy. So we're gonna turn the camera around and have a look at this watch against the backdrop of this beautiful new, now would you call this a charcuterie board? Is that what?
Yeah, you can call that a charcuterie board.
And so you do make these and sell these. So Do you have your own website now for that? Or?
Website should be coming in the next couple months, but if you want to find me, just go to Timmy the Carpenter on Instagram.
Timmy the Carpenter on Instagram. I will obviously leave that in the description of the video so that you can go find him. Timmy's been good to my channel. I mean, he's a good friend too, more than anything. And he's given me some of his watches. So let's see what you're wearing today. Let's check it out. Oh, I was wondering. Yes. Pop it off and just show it to the camera. This is the Tissot that he loaned me. Go ahead, you should. It's your watch, man. Oh, beautiful Tissot chronograph. What a nice one. I've got on the Pagani Design Homie of an Explorer 2.
This matches my truck.
Matches his truck, yeah. Matches the wood too. So okay, let's turn the camera around and I'll show you this Lorus. I got this Lorus on Amazon for 80 bucks. I bought it because of the dial. It looked really cool, and I kind of wondered if it would look a lot better in person, as sometimes watch dials do look better in person than on the pictures that you see. And I'm quite happy with this one, so let's turn the camera around and check it out. So you can see the beautiful new board. Timmy, I'm just, dude, oh, love it. I absolutely love it. Thank you for that. We're looking at a Lorus today. Again, I bought this on Amazon because I like the dial on it, and it's only 80 bucks. So when I do the full review of this watch, you know, we got to factor in that it's only $80. Lorus is a company that is a subsidiary of Seiko, so you could call this Seiko's ugly cousin, Timmy, maybe. Nice. Okay, so here we go. Let's pop it open and see what we got. And this is what came in the box. The watch, obviously, on a fairly nice pillow. What do you think of that dial, Timmy? Isn't that cool?
I do like that. I like that.
So it's got a nice checkerboard dial to it, and it plays with the light quite nicely. The blue will fade out, as you can see as I'm just rotating it around. So the star of this watch is definitely the dial, and so it comes on an all brushed steel bracelet. The bracelet is garbage. It is an absolute, it's just a very cheap bracelet, and so at any rate, just a nice looking watch, just a pressed clasp, so nothing fancy. And you can see it's got, well, I'll take the links that are out of it. And what I might do actually on the actual unboxing is show folks how to adjust these kind of bracelets, because these bracelets, these hollow end bracelets, are really kind of a bit of a pain if you don't know how to adjust them. As you can see, for my 7.5 inch wrist, I took 2 of those out, and it just comes with a basic instruction manual, and then your guarantee paperwork and hang tag. So that's it. So this is going to be featured on the channel next, and have a look at it against the nice new charcuterie board. So what do you think, Timmy? Here, have a look at this. What do you think of it? I'm just showing you. Hey, it's my friend Cheryl. Wave to me through the drive-through. All right, what do you think?
I like it. I like it. It's got a lot to offer inside that dial.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. The dial is definitely why I bought it, and I can say, based on the pictures, it does look better in person. And I like the way that the checkerboard there plays with the light, kind of fades in and out. So yeah, looking forward to highlighting this one on the channel here soon. So I'm going to turn the camera around now, because I've got a special presentation for my pal Timmy as well. And so this is going to drop probably on Monday or Tuesday of next week. Not 100% sure when the review of this is going to drop out, but at any rate, that's the Lorus quartz watch. Very, very nice. 80 bucks. Not a bad piece for 80 bucks. All right, so we're going to be doing that Lorus on the channel sometime next week. I do have my show with Adrian Sales coming up. How dare you? Turn your freaking phone off, man.
I know. Such ignorance of mine.
So probably not going to drop on Monday, the review of the Lorus, because on Monday my chat with Adrian Sales from Somewhere in Time Watch Reviews is going to drop. But because Tim did this for me And because I have so many watches, I mean, I have enough to go around now. I wanted to present Tim, along with the agreed upon price for the board, just him taking the time to do this for me. And what he asked me to pay for this board is a lot less than what he normally charges, so I had to throw in a watch for my pal. So open that up and let everyone see it. And this is one of the watches I reviewed on my channel. I'll leave the review right above Timmy's hat there. It'll show up where you can go and watch it. Actually, one of the watches that is one of the most viewed reviews that I've done. So this is the Aliexpress 24. What do you think, Timmy?
It's stunning. Like, that green is just,
yeah, man,
unbelievable. The light changes it. It's a gorgeous watch.
Yeah,
gorgeous
it's got a nice
watch.
sunburst effect on it. And yeah, man, I'm happy to
Can't wait to
be able to
wear
give
it.
that to you. Table shaking a little bit. Sorry about that. And yeah,
Thank
so
you,
let's. So the review of this is on the channel, but this is the Aliexpress 24, and I think they are a parent company with Sterling Original, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it's right on. See how it should fit you pretty good, because I have it fit to my wrist, and your wrist and my wrist are almost the same size. So there it is.
Stunning.
Yes, beauty. All right, everybody.
I like it.
So that is the unboxing video for this week, and thanks to my pal Timmy the Carpenter for giving me this amazing board to film and
Glad you love.
photograph my watches on. It is absolutely beautiful. And as always, guys, remember, whenever you leave your house, you have to have a great looking piece to wear on your wrist, don't you, Timmy?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Correct.
You do. And wherever you're going, you need to get there on time. Thanks for watching, everybody. God bless you. We'll see you in the next one.